Hi, Roy here from Yago Yoga. Here we are on day 29 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. And well done, we're on 29. Here we go. So now, how did you get on with just feeling? Did you just find yourself just in a state of feeling? And that you come into your energetic body? And that you're gazing, that you're smelling, that you're opening up your airways, you're surfing the waves? Is you're just connecting into your life force itself? How did you get on with that? Was it nice? Did it work for you? Did it not work for you? Well, what happened? Tell us what happened. Put it in the box below and in the comments below, and we can tease it out. Today's challenge is going to be an interesting one. What I want you to do is I want you to observe your heartbeat through your breath. Woohoo! How are you going to do that? Okay. It's actually a really simple thing to do. But it does take a bit of focus. So it needs you to be one pointed in your focus, but at the same time gazing. So I need you to focus on one very specific point, and it's really very simple. I need you to not necessarily cross your eyes. I just need you to look at your nostrils. Okay. So I need you to keep looking at your nostrils. I'm looking straight at you again. But when you're looking at your nostrils, is go into your breathing. Okay. Now what I need you to do is breathe in micro moments. I need you to breathe. It's not slow. It's in micro movements, micro moments, so that you're breathing and you're breathing in these beautiful micro moments. Okay? It's like you're breathing a little bit in slow motion, but it's not slow, it's just like a slow motion sense. Now what happens there is that really calms the body. You really come into a very calm place within yourself. And then you'll start to notice that you'll see this. See this here? You'll start seeing that there. At your nostril, when you look at your nose, you'll start seeing your nose vibrating a little bit. And then you realize what you're looking at is your heartbeat. And then as you breathe, expanding and contracting, moving through those beautiful waves, I want you to just keep observing your heart beating as you're breathing. And what you're doing is you've got to cross your eyes, but look at your nose is going to do it for you. And you're looking at your heart beating, and you're just looking at your heart beating in your nostrils. And then notice as you inhale and you exhale, the effects that it has. Now again, you might not get this today, but if you notice it, if you're able to tap into your heartbeat and your breath, you'll notice that when you inhale, your heart speeds up ever so slightly. When you exhale, your heart slows down ever so slightly. So that's just the way of it. But see if you notice that. But I want you to observe your heartbeat through breath awareness. Okay? Interesting one for you today. And again, if you do 10, that's very good. 20 is great. 30 is amazing. And again, pop any questions or queries you have down below. Please subscribe, share it with your friends. Get them on board. It would be great if you're sharing it with your friends and you guys can even chat between you and you're teasing it all out. So get your yoga buddies on board. Again, click notification, keep yourself up to date. Other than that, have a great day and I will see you for day 30 tomorrow. Thank you.